Hi. So in front of us, we have a question from the topic functions. And this particular question has three subparts. And in the question, we are given three different types of functions. F of x, which is x square, g of x, which is 2 to the power x, h of x, which is 2x minus 3. Now we'll go ahead and start from the first part of this question, that is find g of 3. Now we need to see that we have to find g of 3. It's associated with the function g. So I'm going to go ahead and first see what is the gx function given. Gx is given as 2 to the power x. So the basic understanding of function is that if I have to find g of 3, it means that I would change the value inside the bracket, which initially was x. X will get replaced by 3. We can also say that the input of the function g is now 3. And we are finding what is the output when the input of the function is 3. So g of 3 can be written as 2 to the power 3, where we have replaced the value of x by 3. Now 2 to the power 3 will give us 8, and the answer for g of 3 is 8. Meaning when the input for the function g is 3, its output will come as 8. Moving to the second part of the question, where we have to find h of hx. This type of functions are called composite function, where the input of one of the function is another function. Here I can say that the input for my function h is the function h itself. That means the first task I will be doing is, what is h of x? I'm going to write h of x inside the bracket, which is 2x minus 3. Now I know that my input value for the function hx has changed to h of 2x minus 3. That means we would be replacing x by 2x minus 3. Anywhere we see the value of x, x will get replaced by 2x minus 3, meaning 2 times of 2x minus 3. So we have replaced 2x minus 3 in place of this x. And further, I can say that we'll write minus 3. 2 times of 2x minus 3, minus 3 is written here. Now we'll simplify this, which will give us 4x minus 6 minus 3. And the solution for part B is going to be 4x minus 9. I can put my final answer here. Moving on to the third part of this question, again we have composite function question, where first of all we have f of g of x plus 1. If we see it carefully, the input of function f is g of x plus 1, and the input of function g itself is x plus 1. So first of all, we'll try to calculate what is g of x plus 1. Since I know g of x is 2 to the power x, so g of x plus 1 is 2 to the power x plus 1, which we would be replacing here inside the bracket. So f of g of x plus 1, which came out as 2 to the power x plus 1. Now this can be written as, we know that input of our function fx has become 2 to the power x plus 1. So we would now replace x by 2 to the power x plus 1. So 2 power x plus 1, and I'll put whole square, which is this. It's basically, if I have to take one example about replacing the values, if I was finding f of r, I would say that it is r square. And if we were finding f of r plus 1, it would be r plus 1 whole square. And the logic follows here in similar way for part B and C, that we replace our input value by a new value. So let us simplify this and we'll see what is our answer. So I can write that 2 to the power 2 times of x plus 1. This can be written as 2 to the power 2, which will give us 4 to the power x plus 1. So our answer can be written as 4 to the power x plus 1. Thank you.